Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you another Laravel project example created with AI. For this also I have created a GitHub repository, so if you want you can go to this tonyjepa/student-management and you can clone and you can play with Cloud Code or Open Code or any AI provider you have and add or remove features. Here is the project, and the project is with Livewire. We have a dashboard and then we have students and classes, so the student management system. Here we have all the students. We can add a new student, we can edit, we can view this student, for example. Grades also, here we can add grade, we can go back and we can edit and we can delete. We can edit, so we can change the class to some other class, and also if you want you can choose a file, also change the status if you like. And we have also the classes. We can view, edit, add a new class and delete. So we can view, for example, this class. Let's go to this one which has one student, and yeah, all the students are listed here, graduated here, view. We can view that student. Now let's show you the code. And yeah, this is with Flux UI. So let me just change, not change, but I'm going to come here. I'm going to open the open code. The project is created with a Cloud Code, but now I'm going to use open code because it's free. And I'm going to say remove all Flux UI from the students and classes. Add plain HTML with Tailwind CSS styles. Okay, I'm going to hit enter and let's leave it this. Next I'm going to go the app and show you app. We have models and we have the grade model, student ID, subject, score, semester and year. We have a relationship with a student, and maybe let me just zoom it. Okay, and then we have get letter grade attribute, match the true, score greater or equal to 19 is A, 18 is B, C, D, and default is F. And then we have student, field labels, we have class, date of birth, bit date, and then get full name attribute. Student class belongs to the student class. Grades has many, and also scope active, the query where the status is active, and also scope search. We have the student class also here, name section, academic year and capacity. We have a students has many relationship and get full name attribute, returning this section, this name and this section, or just this name here. Now let's also show you the databases, migrations, classes. We have grades and we have students. Then we have HTTP, controllers, class controller, index, student class get all the classes, then create, store, using the store class request, student, and let me just see, yeah, he's going to convert the index blade in the students, create, edit, very good. Okay, so let's back here. We have a show, class load the students, very good. Edit, update, and destroy. Let's go to grade controller, the same thing. We have a create here, we have store, edit, update, destroy. Then the student controller, index, query, student with student class, latest, and if query field, because we have that on the student, we have here the search, and immediately you can see is changing. Yeah, the graduated has been changed. The inactive has not been changed yet, but the active also has been changed, the status here. And also the search has been changed from the Flux UI. Okay, then we have a create, then we have a store. If request has file, it's going to upload, otherwise just going to say student create, passing the data, show, edit, update, destroy, and delete. Now if we go back, not back, but if we go to resources, and here we have students, index, yeah, you can see now we have only the HTML, and let me see the table. So we have a table, we have a for else, image, active, and graduated. The default is going to have a BG zinc. Let me just go see here. So the default is inactive. And also the button. So everything has been removed. Let me just run the, I'm going to open a new terminal and I'm going to run the npm run dev or composer run dev. And yeah, now we have something like this. I'm going to zoom it. Okay, graduated, inactive, and active. Also, if I go to edit, yeah, it's going to look like this. Edit also here. Cancel, go to classes, go to views. Let me just see. Right now it's going to convert the create from the students, and I'm going to leave it like this. I'm not going to push to GitHub this change. I'm going to make it here. I'm going to leave it with Flux UI because maybe you like Flux UI, but yeah, if you don't like, you can just ask the AI model to do that, and you can add more features. And if you like something else to build with Laravel, just comment on the video below, and I'm going to ask the Cloud Code to generate that project and show you in the next video. All the best and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.